Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to use CapCut templates. Firstly, on TikTok, when you see a video that says CapCut, try this template, tap it. You'll be taken to a page showing the template preview, the creator's name, and how many people used it. Tap Use Template in CapCut, and it will automatically open the CapCut app. Install it if you don't have it, and now you'll see a preview of the template in CapCut. Now tap Use Template, then select the photos or videos from your phone that you want to insert. Tap Preview to see how it looks in the template. Now you can tap Edit to crop or replace images or videos and adjust text or move media using the video and text tools on the left side. Now tap Export when you're done editing, choose to save it to your device or post directly to TikTok. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.